How can you prevent app downloads without deleting the app? Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your settings. Inside settings, you simply want to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on screen time. Inside screen time, scroll down, select lock screen time settings, and create a screen time passcode that's different from your iPhone passcode. This prevents anyone else from changing the settings. Now simply tap on content and privacy restrictions. Inside here, you can simply tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on installing apps and change it to don't allow. This blocks new app download while keeping the App Store visible. Now you can even allow age appropriate apps. Go back and then tap on App Store Media and Web Games. Apps. Then you would simply want to go ahead and choose an age rating. That is how you can prevent apps download without deleting the App Store. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.